So, hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how AI could empower the business, right? So, for example, imagine when the time only few people could read and write, right? Most of priest and the monk back the ordinary time, right? People had rely on them and learn what was in the holy books. Today, something is similar happening in AI, right? Right now, AI is mainly controlled by big tech company, highly skilled engineers. But as for the Andrew Ng, the world top AI expert says doesn't have to be in this case. He advocates that AI should be accessible for everyone and not just to the major tech firm. Example for Meta, Google, or ChatGPT. Okay, so why only big companies use AI today, right? So if you see example here, Apple, Microsoft, Google's, Facebook, they all use AI. So why? AI is very expensive. Most of AI system take a team of expert who is cost a lot, month to build, tons of data. That's why big companies like Google, Meta, ByteDance, Amazon can use AI, things like that. They can use for better search. They can use for better product recommendation. They can target the ads. These companies have millions of users, so even a small improvement can lead to huge profit for them. But if you are running the restaurant or retail store or some marketing company or very small companies, right? So clothing brands spending of 1 million on AI doesn't make sense, right? Like your company doesn't have revenue of 1 million, but how can you spend? So most of a small business does not don't use AI because they can't, but because they don't know how or can't afford it. So real example, right? So let's say you have small pizza shops. Every Friday night, you notice you run out the pizza, some type of pizza like vegetarian pizza. You have too many leftover something, right? You are losing money either way, understocking and never stocking. But what if AI could help you predict which pizza will be sold the most tonight? Here is things, right? You can track your sales each day, just like you already do. An AI system look your past sales. It find a pattern like vegetarian pizza is sell better on Friday. It tell you to make more in advance. Even a small increase your efficiency, it could earn you thousand of more every years. Reduce food invest. So no, no, don't need big data. So every problem doesn't need big data, right? If you see here, about 80% of AI projects never makes to the production, right? Why? So that's why we have that you don't always need big data for AI applications. Domain knowledge speeds the fancy algorithm. AI without ROI is just R&D. You dev teams is not AI teams. So think about people think AI need huge data, like millions of rows. That's only for the some type of AI, like training language model like me. But AI experts find out the small dataset can work for fine if they are clean, labeled, and relevant for that problem. In your pizza example, even you have 1 year sales data might be enough for you AI to learn to help, right? So let's break down the with simple graph, right? So this is the graph. If this is had, right? Most of company here they use for AI for ad, web search. That's why we have better results. But long tail, the very small companies here is they use for still inspection, pill inspection, retail store. So the left side has a big project search engine, and okay, right side is million of small project like pizza shop, retails, and each of small project may not be worth billions, but they are worth of millions. They are combined massively valuable. This is called long tail, right? Right now, almost one of working is the use missed opportunity. AI tool anyone can use, no code needed. So there are tools which I have given which no code required. The good news is that you don't need a programmer to anyone to use AI. Platform like landing lanes created by Andrew allow you to upload images, label things by clicking, dragging, train your AI model, use for your business. Example here, I'm giving quality control t-shirts, right? So you will automate take photo and transfer, give to the AI. AI will detect your. So you have holes, you have discoloration, you have threads out of place. Instead of checking each one manually. It is things, right? Check photo, Dropbox, upload them. AI learn and find this defect. Now your AI can scan every piece of automatically and serving you hours of labor, costly and mistaken, right? So other use case of AI for a small business, right? Business type AI application like retail store recommendation best self placement for product. Farming detect the disease in the plant using the drone. School predict the student need extra class. Mechanics of detect the sign of engine failure. But it's easy to yet not 100%, right? Some technology is required. Little training, time of experiment, but the getting is easier every year. If you are comfortable using Excel or Canva, you probably learn these tools too with just bit of help. So what you need to get started, identify the problem, collect data, label data, use AI tools, train your AI, deploy it to your daily work. Remember, even a small improvement can have a big impact over the time. Right? These are the frequency questions which I have mentioned. So right now, this is inspired to new way of thinking about AI, right? This article way, not something only scientists, but also tool that anyone can use. Right? You just need problem worth of solving, little data, willing to learn. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.